Hey, welcome back. In today's video, like I said, we're going to be trading a $200 live account. I'm putting $200 into the market. We're going to be trading real money, and we're going to see how this goes. Now, in my last video, we did lose our trade, and I think that's just because when the market closed, it closed our trade out somehow, and we lost big time in the demo money. But if you look at it right here, we got in somewhere up here. So this is where we're at, $60. This is where it's at right now, and we were up here. So somehow it closed this out. I don't really know, but if we would have still been in that trade, like I said, we would have been up at least $30, and I probably would have closed out because the market is just staying in that zone right there. So, but right now we're trying to look for another trade, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna log into this $200 account, and we're gonna see if we can try to make some actual money in today's video. Let's get it. All right, boys, so the first pair that we might be trading in today's $200 account, as you can see right here, is going to be the US dollar, Canadian dollar. And you can see we have a nice head and shoulders pattern right here. And I'm not quite convinced because it's still in a bearish trend, because you can see this is a higher low with a lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. But we just broke this higher low, which means if you break this, it's going to become a higher high. So I'm just waiting for this to come back down a little bit, and then as soon as this comes back down after breaking, after retesting, we're going to shoot in and get our buy in there, and we're going to throw a play down, and we're going to see how much we can make. This is the first trade. I might throw it down, I might not. I saw it right away, but I'm just going to wait and see so far, and we're just going to see what happens. Let's get it. Boys, we just missed the trade. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Look at this candlestick. We were waiting for it to come up to right here, but we should have just entered on the head and shoulders. Now they jumped all the way up. It's going to push back. If it pushes back, I think I'm going to enter the trade. I don't know. It took a big jump right there, so we're going to see what happens, and I might just get this trade ready to enter. Let's go. All right, boys, we kind of sold. As you know, we didn't buy into the market. If we would have bought into the market down here, we would be up way right here. But instead, I have a new setup to have it drop right here. We lose, but we still have it up to this line, so it's not going to be as big as a reward. We missed out on it. I'm not going to think about it too much. We're still going to enter on this trade and see how it goes. But let's just get it. Let's forget about it. Let's see. Let's let this trade go. Real money on the line, so we got to be careful with our trades. That's why I was kind of sad that I missed this with our first real money trade. But we're going to look for some other trades. Maybe we can find some. Maybe we don't. We got to be careful. It's real money, so we got to be paying attention and be steady. I'm kind of scared about this trade. I just think I made a last-second trade, but I think we can do it. I still have a good game plan. I think it was a good structured line. I just missed out on it, and I tried to get in on it late. Whether that's going to be good or bad, we're going to find out. But let's keep running trade update. So right now the trade is moving up. We came down to about right here, as you can see. We came down. I thought it was going to fall out, but the market's actually moving up in our favor, so we're gonna let it ride. I've been looking at the other markets. I haven't seen nothing I really like, and I'm just not gonna sit on the markets and wait one candle at a time. Oh, boom, live! It just went up super high. I'm gonna show the piano right now. This is crazy. Let's get it, baby. What? All right, boys, so I closed the trade. We made like $1.76 off of this, which isn't a lot. Like I said, live count $200. I don't know how people are trading making a lot of money with only $200, because it just doesn't make sense right now. But we made $1.77 off this easy trade. Not nothing crazy, but let's see if we can find anything. I think I'm just gonna chill for the night, and unless I see something in the market, we're gonna chill, watch some videos. But we'll get back to you if we find another good trade. So checking back in, we have two possible trades right here. This is my support line. This bounced off, came up. So I'm waiting for this to drop down to this line, and then I have this right here. I think this one is going to go up. The market's continually trending up on that one. The market's up. If you want to see what I'm talking about, I'll show you right here. See, the market's been steadily going up, so I think it's going to hit this line and continue to break off. So that's my assumption on this trade right here. So it's going to get close. We might throw a trade in right now. And the other one I had that I was just looking at, this one was in a downward trend line, and as you can see, too close. As you can see on this one, I was gonna enter somewhere right here and let it come down to here, but I didn't. I didn't see enough to make me enter this trade. But this other trade right here, this one right here, I'm excited about. I'm waiting. The market's going down fast, but I think it might reject it, so we're gonna see. And we might throw down another trade, 2 trades on the Sunday night when the market opens. Let's get it. All right, boys, so this is the next trade that we might throw in right now. As you see, we have the trend line structure, and it just broke, so we're gonna see what happens. It was going up, but it looks like it's gonna break that line of structure. We're gonna give it some time to see if it does, and if we are, let's just see where we're at. So let's just see what happens. All right, boys, so I just threw down another trade right here. As you can see, you see the bullish right there, and then it just broke through that line. So I think the market's going to continue to go down. We missed it. We was up here, it was up here, and then it dropped a little. So we're going to wait. We only were able to get on a 0.05 buy. It was acting weird. It wasn't letting me buy. It was kind of weird, so that's why we got in late on it. So we're just gonna let it ride for the night, and then, you know, hopefully the market drops. But we'll see right now. We're gonna watch it a little bit, see if we can find another trade. I've been kind of struggling a little bit after those first few trades, so let's see what we can do, man. So our second trade currently is going to plan. As you can see, it has dropped down. I moved my stop loss to break even, where it might come down a little more to this next candle. But we can see we are up like $1 again. Like I said, it did not let me bet as much as I wanted, or put down as much as I wanted. So we're not gonna make as much money this trade. But if the trade still goes well, we'll see what happens. Let's keep going and let's let it ride. All right, boys. So on our second trade, as you can see, we put in up here. I reset my stop loss right here, and it bounced back and closed, which is fine. All right, boys, so checking back up on the trade right here, as you can see, we had this up structure and then it broke it. We got in right here, and man, when I say we made a great play, we made a great play. We had gotten a little late, so we had gotten down here. We had gotten down here when I was originally gonna get up, like in like up here, but I did it. It dropped down, so we made less. Plus, it didn't let me make as much as I wanted to. I only let me put down 0.05 instead of 0.1. So if we would have did that, we would have made a couple more dollars, which is fine. But as you see, we ended up getting out about right here. So exactly as the market started to reverse is exactly when we got out, which is a W. So our 2 trades today on a real $200 account were both wins. One was $1.35. The other was like $2.30. So 2 good trades. Like I said, if we were on the $10,000 account, that would have been probably $10 to $100 to $50, $40. So it would have been more up there. That's why I say save your money. Wait till you got $1,000 to $10,000 to invest, or invest in the funded accounts, because $200 isn't going to make you a lot of money right now unless you're hitting four risk ratios, you know what I'm saying? So, but we did hit on this trade. Like I said, we got in up here as soon as it broke the line, and we exited down here right before it reversed. So it was a great way to get out the trade. So let's just keep it going. I think we're going to be done for the night. So this is our Sunday night trading market open. We got 2 trades in, 2 W's. Let's keep it going on the real live account, and we're going to throw some more money in there when I get paid again. Stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for the views. The 300 views on the first video is crazy. I don't know if these next few videos are going to be popping, but I appreciate and love you guys' support. So today was a good day. 2 big trades, and we're going to give that to you tomorrow or maybe Tuesday, depending on how the markets are. So love you guys. Comment, subscribe, keep supporting me, and we're on the journey to become a millionaire. And let me know if I should start a Discord so you guys can learn how to trade like me, and we can both hop on that grind and change our lives for the better. But without further ado, this is the journey a little B, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.